Dear second secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled Revision 4 on Units 10, 11, and 12. Read the article, then answer the questions. Nowadays, so many people write news, stories, and blogs. We decided to interview 3 professionals involved in the world of news to find out what they think. Anya, I am a news reporter for a national television channel, and my job is really interesting, but it can also be difficult to find real stories. I believe that it's very important to have good sources which you can trust. Nowadays, there is so much news on the internet. It's difficult to know which facts are true and which are not true, which is why all facts must be checked carefully. Hierarchy. As the editor of a local newspaper, it's essential that all my journalists write stories that interest our readers. The national newspapers have stories which are about the whole country, but we like to focus on happier news happening in our area. Nina, I am a photographer and I work with a reporter who writes about crime. We usually travel together so I can take photos and he can talk to the police and people who saw anything. When he has finished his article, he sends it to the newspaper with my pictures which go under the headline. Now let's answer the questions. Are these sentences true or false? Number 1. The writer believes only professionals should write the news. This sentence is true. Number 2. Anya works for a national newspaper. This sentence is false. Number 3. Anya says that not everything written on the internet is true. This sentence is true. Number 4. Hierarchy believes that his readers enjoy reading about local events. This sentence is false. Number 5. Hierarchy likes to have stories about good things. This sentence is true. Number 6. Nina likes to work alone. This sentence is false. Now complete the sentences with these words from the article. We have some words here like channel, editor, headline, interview, journalist, photographer, and sources. Number 1. A new children's TV space has been launched. It's very good. The answer here will be channel. A new children's TV channel has been launched. Number 2. My brother is the space of our school newspaper. The answer here will be journalist. Number 3. Why don't you ask that space to take a picture of us? The answer will be photographer. Number 4. The presenter's going to space my favorite actor on TV tonight. The answer will be interview. Number 5. Have you seen this headline space in today's paper? The answer will be sources. Number 6. You must be careful which space you use. Make sure you can check them. The answer will be headline. Number 7. The space asked me a lot of questions about the accident. The answer will be editor. Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. Number 1. If you want to find out some information on the internet, use a good engine. We have search, channel, electric, and machine. The answer will be search engine. Number 2, what is the space of the information you used to write your essay? Name, source, way, or type. The answer will be source. Number 3, my cousin is very space. She can dance, sing, and speak 4 languages. We have historical, hostile, powerful, and talented. The answer will be talented. Number 4, don't try to revise everything at the same time, but space a goal to revise 1 thing a day. We have set, get, take, and score. The answer will be set. Number 5, the teacher said that my answer to the exam question wasn't space, I wrote about the wrong book. Easy, measurable, relevant, or achievable. The answer will be relevant. Number 6, we expected cold, wet weather in England, but it was space, hot and sunny. Quietly, surprisingly, powerfully, surprised. The answer will be surprisingly. Number 7, space are very important to nature because they help plants to produce seeds. Honeybees, flies, honey, and animals. The answer will be honeybees. Number 8, what space is that TV program on tonight? Scene, correspondent, channel, canal. The answer will be channel. Number 9, the tourists were tired this morning because they space to the top of a high mountain yesterday afternoon. Had taken, took, were taking, had been taken. The answer will be had been taken. Number 10, you have worked as an investigator for many years now. Space. Didn't you, weren't you, haven't you, have you? The answer will be haven't you. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.